If you want to make 250K wholesaling real estate in 2026, watch this video. Guys, this video I'm gonna do a lot different. What I did is I've prepared this whiteboard. Yes, I have information behind there. And honestly, it's pretty valuable. I want to walk you through the exact process from start to finish. Every type of marketing median I would jump all over in 2026 to make a minimum of 250K in wholesaling. I'm gonna be honest with you, if you only do a third of what I show you on this board, 250K is a no-brainer. So guys, without further ado, I'm gonna show you the board. I'm gonna walk through 10 different marketing methods from start to finish and how you can easily make 250K in 2026. Let's get into it. Voila! Now, before you go through the whole board, let me just cover this up. I wanna give you an education on this one. Why? Because I've done every one of these strategies and I want you to understand the numbers. Now, I don't care if you've never done a wholesaling deal or you've done over 4,000 like me, I want you to understand the strategy specifically for wholesaling and how you can get started. Then what we can do is rank them, and we're gonna go through the cost, the number of prospects you need, the leads, the contracts, the number of deals, and most importantly, your return on time. So to save time, I pre-wrote the board so we don't waste time. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna start off right off the bat, and honestly, I did these in a random order on purpose. You'll see we have 10 different ways we do it. Number one, texting. The average cost for a texting at a penny a text is $450. With your $100 on your X Leads account, you're gonna have to have 25,000 prospects to really make texting work. Can you do less? Yes, but why? I want to get you successful. Now, on average, between what we do in our company and everybody I work with all over the country, you're gonna invest about 25 hours per month. The time chart is on per month, and on average, this will produce from 25,000 prospects, 30 to 40 leads. Now remember, there's a prospect and then there's a lead. You have to have a big pool of prospects. These are also called suspects, to turn them into leads. Leads turn into contracts, contracts turn into closings. So we go from left to right on this chart. Now on average, that's gonna get you about 2 contracts and gonna be 1 closing. What I like about texting, it is absolutely perfect for the solopreneur, meaning if you're doing wholesaling by yourself, honestly, it's one of the most effective strategies you can do. Remember, your goal is to convert from a text to a phone call. Don't forget that. Okay, we got that one done at number 1. The next one, cold calling DIY. I know a lot of you guys do it on here, and I'm just here to tell you it's not easy. And the problem is most people do it for 3 months and they waste 3 to 5, sometimes as much as $10,000. Here's the challenge with it. Most of you guys do cold calling yourself because you don't have a lot of money. They go, Rick, what's 300 bucks? Listen, you might have to get a multi-line dialer. You're gonna have to buy some phone numbers. You're gonna have to have an X Leads account. There's some basics. The average cost is around 300 bucks DIY. Here's the challenge. You're gonna need about 12,000 prospects. And here's the thing that horrifies most people when it comes to DIY cold calling is it's a full-time job. That's 40 hours a week, 4 weeks, that's 160 hours. If you have a full-time job, this is not a strategy for you. If you have no money and you're fearless to do cold calling and you can put 40 hours a week in it, go nuts with it. On average, you can produce 20 to 25 leads, should produce about 1 to 2 contracts, and yield you 1 closing. Now, this is not the best use of your time, but if you're brand new and you got no money, sometimes you're stuck in that, and I want you to understand that. Use that to harvest at least 1 closing so you can put money back in your business for marketing. I'm spinning here, man. The next one, I got a good old-fashioned reverse driving for dollars. This is when we go out and put sticky notes on it. I'm going to have you do code violations, pre-foreclosures, and tax delinquencies. These 3 lists only. And I want you to go around, we're going to put some gas in the car, 60 bucks. It's attractive because most of you can do this. And honestly, if you got somebody else paying for the gas, your parents, your company, knock yourself out. I use this strategy. On average, you are going to have 500 prospects, and you're gonna have to put a sticky note on their door. And remember, it's curiosity that kills the cats. Once they get curious, they call, they wanna know what's going on. We just leave a note on the door. Hey, just got a quick question about your house. This is Rick, my virtual phone number. On average, it's gonna cost you about 40 hours for the entire month, 10 hours a week dedicated towards driving. You should be able to produce 10 to 12 leads. I find these leads actually very good, and I would be amiss not to bring up this strategy. On average, I can produce 2 contracts from 500 prospects, and on average, I'll get 1 closing. Rick, why does your closings contracts go from 2 to 1? Listen, stuff falls apart. You guys have to have an incredible amount of volume and wholesaling to make this gig work. If you think you're just gonna have a few prospects and make them work, on average, if I have 10 contracts, I'm usually gonna lose 4 to 5 of them because I can't get it past underwriting, the title's dirty, the person backs out or doesn't cooperate. Welcome to wholesaling. So we make up for this in volume. I'm showing you the volume game every technique can do. do. Guys, that's reverse driving for dollars in a nutshell. I think everybody should have that on their list. The next one, good old-fashioned door knocking. Why am I putting door knocking on there? Because this is how Rick started. And if you got the guts to knock on a door and you're in a safe neighborhood and your safety is your number one priority, go around door knock. Who am I going to door knock? Once again, I'm going to take these exact ones and I would door knock them. The problem with door knocking is it's going to take a tremendous amount of effort and time, and there is risk. In some counties, it's actually a crime to door knock. Then you got to get past the Ring doorbell, and then, my God, is somebody ever going to answer the door? So on average, it's going to cost you about $10, which is basically fuel, and you need to knock on 200 doors. Yes, I said that, 200 doors. If you don't got the guts to do it, or it's illegal in your county or city, don't do it. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, this is a part-time job to knock on doors, and you can't do it at night. It has to be during daylight hours, anytime after like 11 a.m. to around 5 p.m. before it gets dark. Any other time, it's dangerous. On average, I'd say about 60 hours for a total month to do that. You're going to spend about 15 hours a week. Now, here's the beauty is you can produce 10 leads on this, 2 contracts, and 1 closing on it. Now, I'm just telling you, this is not my favorite method anymore. Times have changed. Rick's been in the game 23 years, going on 24. Door knocking is a rare breed, but I will tell you, belly-to-belly contact will get you the best results, but it's not for everyone. So if you don't have the time or you believe it's risky, don't do it. Let's give you plenty of options. I'm giving you 10 options, guys. Next one, direct mail. One of my favorite ways, and this is a way you can buy back your time if you want to do it. Rick, isn't direct mail dead? No, it's not. On average, you're going to pay about 60 cents a piece, and you are going to use postcards. The only exception is if you do direct mail for probate. Now, on average, it's going to cost $5 grand. Don't have a heart attack. It is a lot of money. That's what freaks people out with direct mail, but you're going to have to commit at least 3 months. Can you do it for less? Yes, but I'm going to be honest with you, a long-term strategy, $5 grand. On average, you'll have 8,000 prospects as your people you mail to, and from that, you're going to invest about 25 hours. They go, Rick, why so much time? You got to answer the phone. Here's the key to direct mail, guys. Answer the phone live. Hey there, it's Rick. How can I help you? Very, very simple. Anybody can do it. Direct mail works. If I have a full-time job, I am all over direct mail. Why? Because I can buy back my time. And once you get proficient at this, you can hire someone to answer the phones that cares as much as you do. If you do that, direct mail is great, because the other beauty of this is inbound marketing. Door knocking is an outbound strategy. Reverse driving for dollars outbound. Cold calling yourselves outbound. Texting is outbound. So now I'm showing you a strategy of direct mail. I know this is a lot of information. Just rewind the video. We'll make it work for you. Now, on average, I'm going to produce 10 to 15 leads. Now, I know this sounds super light for direct mail, but the truth of the matter is they're high quality leads. They have higher interest, and you're going to make a higher profit margin. On average, I can produce 2 contracts, and I'll bounce around 1 to 2 deals just from this budget alone. Here's the key. You have to be consistent, and you got to commit to 3 months. Anything less than 3 months, complete waste of your time, in my opinion. Why? Do direct mail for 1 month, it doesn't work. You're right. The fact is you don't work. You have to give it 3 months. It does take time for the residuals to build in direct mail. Now, let's jump down to some of the strategies I know you guys all want to talk about. Let's talk about our Dollar Leads Club. And I call it DPL because most of you guys are using the PPL. So we have replaced PPL with a strategy called DPL. Now, on average, it's $1 a lead, 99 cents to be exact. And what I would do is I would shoot for 1,000. Now, here's the really cool part. Notice right here, we've had prospects for each one of these techniques. When we jump down to DPL, which is basically the low price version of PPL if you can't afford it, we don't have to worry about prospects, because on average, if I get 1,000 leads, I pay $990, we get 1,000 leads. Now, how much time is it going to take? I put about 45 hours because it is all about the follow-up. You got to understand, at $1 a lead, you're going to have to play the volume game. So here's the strategy, DPL versus cold calling on your own. Which do you prefer to do? One has a cost of $300, one's 1,000. Here's the difference, 160 hours, 45. I cut your workload by 75% by doing this. Now, you got to be good on the phones. And honestly, if you don't have something like XLeads to do that robust follow-up, this is going to be tough. In fact, guys, every technique I'm showing you, if you do not have a robust CRM system that integrates AI like XLeads in it, I honestly think you're pissing your money out the window. Please, guys, Podio, it is not meant for wholesaling. Can you customize it? You can, but it is a general CRM. It will work. Hey, Rick, can I use something like Salesforce? You can, but you're going to go broke doing it because they're designed more for corporations and companies that do a high sales volume. We are a much smaller volume on here. So I get 1,000 on average, I can produce 2 contracts and I can get 1 closing. Remember, you're buying somewhat vetted leads. Are they all perfect? Absolutely not. If you want to buy $100 lead clubs for the 99 cents, I don't think you're going to get far, and I prefer you don't buy it. If you buy 1,000, you got a great shot. I promise you can find one in there. So stop saying, oh my God, I found someone that's not selling their property. It's not a perfect system, but if you want a perfect system, I'll show you one that you can do it. On average, I said under $1,000, you create 1,000 leads, 2 contracts. Yes, you got to get on the phone, and honestly, it's going to require 4 to 5 follow-ups. Most of these leads at some time showed interest in selling a property. Everybody quit on the follow-up, and we buy the leads. And if you are a master at follow-up, you use systems like XLeads to help you with AI, text automation, so you can have text conversations with AI. You can do some damage on these leads. Let me ask you, would you rather have 1,000 follow-up leads or do 12,000 from scratch? It's gonna save you 75% of your effort, guys. Go over to dollarleads.com and check it out. Now, the next one, the next step up, which is one of my favorites, is our diamond leads. And this is just an upgrade on the Dollar Leads Club. And then basically what I like to do is I like to invest and buy 2 packages of it. It comes to $998. Let's just call it 1,000, what it is. And then basically these are pre-vetted leads. And here's the cool part. Once again, I don't have to do any prospecting. How much time am I gonna invest in it? About 20 hours. You're gonna get a total of 392 leads. And from the diamond leads that you get on that, you're gonna get the MP3 file. That way you know you're getting a real lead. You know what the tone and the conversation with the seller is, and you can pick it up from there. You know how hard it is to pick up conversations from other call centers that don't lead you into it? With the MP3, I can tell their age, I can tell their kind of their temperature, what they want to sell. It really, really helps that. On average, if I do that, I can lock up 3 contracts and I can usually produce 2 closings. Guys, it's diamonds. Once again, it is an alternative for you if you guys are just frustrated with the pure PPL where you got to bid, you got to pay all these subscription rates. They are dynamite services, but they're expensive, and that leaves the average new wholesaler out of the game. Guys, diamond is a way to buy back your time, get quality leads. Listen, 392 phone calls, a lot easier than 1,000, and a heck of a lot easier than doing 12,000 phone calls on your own. Come on, let's keep running through this list. The next one, cold calling. I talk about a cold call center. Now, if you don't know, you can actually hire a company to do your cold calls. Here's the beauty of it. You give them your list, you basically target your list how you want to do it, and you can actually pick your markets. Now, when it comes to diamond and it comes to dollar lead clubs, these are what we call nationwide leads. So you don't get to pick the market, but you get them cheap. And that's the trade-off. And what you're looking for is low-hanging fruit. When it comes to a cold call center, if you want to do like a micro virtual market, which is a market you picked, either you live there, you grew up there, or you have familiarity with the market, then all you got to do is dial in your leads. These are professional cold call centers. They have the scripts, they train their employees, and they upload your leads into your CRM like XLeads. Guys, my favorite part about this strategy is you're only giving about 10 hours of your time up. That's mostly on follow-up and leads and underwriting. That is a huge, huge plus. So if I am a full-time worker, I am all over this cold call center. On average, 40 hours a week. We charge you $4.50. Go through freewholesaling.com, work with us, work with me and Zach, go to joinm2m.com, and you can work that. Now, on average, I can produce 35 to 50 leads. That's high quality. And here's the beauty is these leads are 100% exclusive to you. Nobody talks about this. There's great companies out there. We basically only endorse 2 of them, companies we work with. If you guys want to check it out, go over to freewholesaling.com. We'll show you what to do. Now, on average, I can produce 2 quality contracts. I would say it's 1 to 2. It's much more solid than that. And guys, these are going to have a high profit margin because these are people you're actually reaching out to, and nobody else is without all the competition of all the other wholesalers. Now, let's jump into PPL, guys. Pay per lead, there's a lot of great companies out there, but on average, a PPL lead, on average of all the companies we ever worked with, is around $200 a lead. Now, don't get me wrong, you get speed and you get quality with that, and what happens with that, on average, it's gonna take you about 25. There's not a lot of data on this, nobody shares the numbers with you, but if I buy 25 leads at $200, I'm right around $5,000, and once again, I don't have to prospect. If I have a job, this is a great strategy, but you need to know how to talk to these leads and close these leads. Now, a lot of people try to use PPL so they don't have to do any marketing. I think that's a terrible strategy. I think you should consider the entire chart when we do it here. Now, once again, no prospecting. On average, you're going to spend about 10 hours to work through these 25 leads because you need quality. There's no multi-line dialer. Honestly, you usually get the MP3. You get all this information. Guys, here's the secret. You don't need all this information. The only thing that's important to me is the MP3 file. So remember with the diamond, you get the the MP3 file. And these leads are $3.88 each. So, hey, not if everyone works out, but I tell you what, when a PPL lead doesn't work out, it's $200. Dude, it hurts. It hurts. And it's not the fault of the provider. People change their minds. Things happen. Maybe they list a property or something like that. But on average, if I do 25, I can produce 2 contracts. I'd say you get 1 to 2 deals. Now, this saves you a lot of time, and if you are really good at closing and you're highly comfortable, the one thing I don't like about PPL is they're not the highest profit because they don't want a relationship with you. They just want a number, and if it's just a number, they aren't the greatest wholesale deals in my opinion. Now, the last one, PPC, I saved the best for last. This is paid per click, and when you go on a computer, the average is you're never gonna get PPC cheap because Google and all these online platforms, they're gonna charge 20 or 30 bucks just to click a word like sell your house fast. Now, on average, and this is a light one, most people are going to spend around 10 grand a month. Now, if you use a service, they're going to charge you a $5,000 onboarding charge, not me, they are, and then you're going to have to spend $5,000 on ad copy. So you're at a severe disadvantage when you do that, and they'll tell you if you just stick with us 3 months or 6 months, we'll get you results. I don't know. I don't use those companies. No prospecting. You're going to spend about 10 hours combing through those leads. How many leads they produce, I have no idea because nobody ever shares these numbers with us. But my guesstimate from everyone I know that runs these campaigns is 3 to 4, let's call 5 leads. And then once again, we've got 2 contracts and we're gonna close on 1. So for the first time ever, you can kind of look at everything in its comparison. And remember, I've been in this business 23 years. Listen, not everything's perfect out there, but you gotta measure this up. What I'd like you to do is, number 1, look at your return on time. Where do you get the best benefit from it? Obviously, cold calling yourself's the worst, and the best return on your time is gonna be a cold call center, a PPL or a PPC, but then you got to look at the cost factor when you do this. So it's like an inverse relationship. At the bottom line, guys, if I add this up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you could do 10 closings a month by punching this all in. Here's the difference, guys, is you have to make a choice. What kind of time do you got? What kind of money do you have? And what is your experience level? Listen, if you're just getting started out, it is a no-brainer. Sometimes you have to work with the cheaper ones because that's the only option. As you get funds, you can walk down to the Dollar Leads Club, DPL. We did that because I think it is a low-cost provider that competes with PPL. Then you could do the diamond leads. They're $388 a piece. Listen, you can do the cold call centers about $1,000, but remember, you get the exclusivity with it. But remember, you're going to compare $388 and $1 to $5,000 and $10,000. Guys, these work. The problem is a huge financial commitment, and most of you don't have the funds. You don't have the time for it. So what I'd like you to do in the comments, you pick which ones you want to do. Now, remember, this is Rick Ginn's opinion. Nobody's provided this data. This is data from all my marketing over the years, all the intel of all the partners I work with, and I'm sure people have say that's not correct, this is it. Listen, we can sit here and dispute it. I'm just giving you an honest assessment of all the marketing medias, the cost, how many prospects you need, the time, the number of leads, the contracts and closing. I've yet to see anybody produce this chart. And guys, I don't even do PPC and PPL. I'm just putting it on there. They all work. I got no problem with PPL. I just wish we could bring the cost down, and that's going to be my goal with everything I do. The idea is bring the cost down, create opportunities, write contracts, and get you to closings. Guys, let me know in the comments which one of these methods you're going to use, which ones you intact. You can rank them. I was going to rank them, but you know what? To me, I have clear-cut winners, but I want to know. Why don't we do this in comments? You rank it. What's number 1? What's your least favorite? And what's your most favorite? Put it in the comments. And guys, if you got value from this video, this is a crazy video. It took a lot of breath and energy to do it, but I love wholesaling. We need to consider all this. Are there more? Maybe I'm missing something. Put it in the comments. If you got value from this video, do me a favor, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this video with someone who wants to find the truth out about wholesaling. This is Rick Ginn. I'll see you in the next video.